All right, so we're out here at Orlando Speed World, back for another event. I didn't film an intro at all. We're just gonna start in the car. Warm up run, here we go. Okay, I think I'm ready for some tandems. I'm telling you though, I still have too much play in my steering wheel. It makes it kind of sketchy, but until I pull the engine out of this thing, there really isn't anything I can do about it other than just, you know, send it. Is that the first time you drifted like legit? Wow.
You still suck.
Huh?
You still suck.
Yeah. Not bad. It's all about being aggressive today. That's my goal. We are out here at the Orlando Speed World with my boy Javier.
What's up?
Steven.
Hi.
With the nice FRS. I like the wheels, Steven. Me gusta.
Finally matching wheels.
Yes, it looks good.
Perfect from the factory. Barstow loves me.
It came like that, didn't it?
Yes. No, it was broken and we hammered it back and welded it.
Hammered it back. It's not balanced though, is it?
No, not at all.
Who cares? It's a drift spare.
Shakes like hell.
So I'm going to try my best to convince the tech guys to get Steven A-class so we can tandem. Because we've never tandem
We've never
before.
tandem on track.
On track, yeah, we tandem a lot on the street.
Plenty of street.
So I'm crossing my fingers that we'll be able to tandem because, you know, this goes back I don't know how long.
This goes back a long time.
We've been saying we need to tandem on track, so.
I think it's been like 2 years since I came out here and watched you and I didn't even have this yet.
That's right.
So.
This is what my FRS will look like soon. I'm giving it another week until it's done. All right, Steven. Don't spin, Steven. Come on now. I went super wide there.
I'm surprised it felt that nice.
Yeah, I was expecting it to be ba 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 ba.
You went over that smooth. I'm like, okay.
Yeah, clutch is slipping.
Uh-oh, what do you think? You think it's
I think he's garbage and Matt's better.
I don't think you're garbage, Alan.
So yeah, that last run, I completely screwed it up. Only time I hope that I'm gonna spin today, but I know that my clutch... Oh my gosh. But I definitely know that my clutch is slipping now, and I wouldn't be surprised if it goes out today. If it does, so be it. It's going in the garage after this. Engine's coming out, trans, getting a lot of work done to it.
What?
Yes, Pro-Am, sir. You were the one that convinced me to build this LS1.
You know why you need to pull it out?
Because I gotta do something with the transmission.
What are you gonna do to it?
Upgrade the internals of the transmission because I am grinding.
The
Heads and cam.
Okay.
I want 450 wheel.
I can allow that.
Okay, good.
I can allow that.
So you have anybody get an anxiety attack, too claustrophobic, all strapped in, got the helmet on?
I wouldn't say an anxiety attack, but there was one guy that rode with me up in Gainesville about a year ago. I was entering really close to the wall and he screamed like a little girl. It was funny. And he told me he just gets so scared when you get close to, you know, stationary objects. I mean, I don't blame him. That was his first time riding with me, but he should have just trusted me, you know?
Just like Disney World.
Yeah, it's a ride, yep. Now, is that your first ride along?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah, just one more because this is his son right there, and then I'll get you.
Yeah, that's awesome.
All right, perfect.
Good run, man.
Thank you.
So no driving gloves?
Nah, sometimes I need them, like when it's really cold. Other times, the felt on the driving gloves makes it kind of really slippery.
Yeah.
So just skin on wood grain is nice to me. You get a nice, good grip on it. It's all about that proximity. So Steven and I went up to Tommy and basically convinced him to let Steven run A-Class. So we're gonna go out. I don't know, are you gonna follow Matt and I or what?
Yeah, why don't you guys go ahead?
Okay.
And then I'll follow you guys.
Okay, sounds good. And then if you're comfortable enough, maybe we'll follow you.
Yeah, that's fine.
Perfect.
Good with that.
Good deal. He cracked under pressure. Poor Steven.
As soon as we left, the one guy's like, don't fuck up.
You fucked up.
I know. I know.
Don't do it again.
No, you have to tell me to do it again so it doesn't
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. One more chance.
made back home. I had a blast tandeming today with Matt, and you know, a couple other guys, but Matt specifically, because in the short period of time that he's been drifting, I believe he said he started back in February, he is already tandeming and going door to door. So big shout out to him for the rapid progression. One day, just one day, we will tap and it will be glorious. And I will be so happy. But yeah, this just makes me so excited to have the FRS done, boosted, make it 400 wheel. That's the goal. There's one thing I wish I could do, was share drifting with everyone. I guess that would mean I'd let everyone drive my car, which probably isn't a good idea, but you know what I mean. So with that said, I want to thank you guys for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. Peace.